friends! Today we're learning fun action words called verbs. Look, the little bunny jumps. Can you jump too? And now run, run, run. Clap your hands like the baby elephant. Now wave hello to your friends.
Can you sit like the puppy? And now stand up tall.
The little bear loves to dance. Can you spin around too? Yummy! The kitten eats its food. Now it drinks water. Can you do it too? Shh! The little bear sleeps. And now, wake up, good morning. The duck washes its hands. Now it dries them with a towel.
Look! The bunny reads a book. Now it writes with a pencil. Kick the ball like the puppy. Now throw it high.
Draw a big circle. Draw, draw, draw.
Eat the yummy sandwich. Eat.
Drink, drink, sip your juice.
Run fast. Run, run, run. Splash in the water. Swim, swim, swim.
Clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap.
Pull the rope strong. Push! Push it hard!
Point to the sky. Now clap your hands.
Build a tower. Up, up. Dig, dig, dig in the sand.
Crawl like a baby, crawl slow. Paint, paint, make it bright. Whee! Slide down fast.
Give a big, warm hug.
Awesome work! You learned verbs today. See you next time.